Hello and welcome to another task video. In this task video, we are going to learn about WordPress. WordPress is really used in many websites. If you see any modern websites, most of them are used by WordPress. So today we are going to understand how the WordPress works, and also I'm going to show you a little bit about the settings, the basic settings, the necessary essential settings for your WordPress website. So this is important to understand that actually that once you practice again and again, and you can really master the WordPress and also the web design. So let us right now actually I'm going to show my website. So if you are logging in your website and if you have installed WordPress, you can write down your website name /wp minus admin. So once you got it, you have to put your username and password, and then you can log in into this website. So you will see this is the dashboard. This is a members area or the backend part of the WordPress. So the front end part looks different, and this is the backend part. So this is where you completely manage all your content. So this is called as a content management system. So you manage your WordPress theme, your plugins, your designs, pages, and all of whatever needed. Whatever you see in the front end, you can change everything in this backend. So it's better to understand everything step by step. So that first we're going to understand the WordPress settings. After that, we will do the WooCommerce, that is the to create a shop online, to build and sell products online. So let's go together, and the main part is actually let's go directly to the settings part. So let's go to the settings part, the general settings. So here you give the site name, your site title, tagline, if you have a site icon, and what WordPress URL. So you should put your domain name, and then and after that you can have your administrator email address, and this is like, for example, any new user will have a default role as subscribers, and you can click on different language, whatever languages you want, and you can choose your timeline, date format, time format, everything. And so this is the basic general settings for your WordPress website. So once you have done this, so go to the writing part, and the writing part, so you can write down whatever settings that you needed here. For example, if you have your own mail server, you can set up everything here. So this is the writing part, and for us important is the reading part. And the reading part is like something like you can choose what page to be shown in the first page as a home page. So here you can say your home page displays as your latest post or your static page. So I choose static page because I want to show a page here. So here I can choose the home page, and then after that I can choose which page I want to show. So for me, I choose start site. This is the first page that I'm going to when someone types my URL, they will see this domain name. And then I also have a blog, so I used for the post, for the blog I'm using blog page. So so you will also have paginations, and you say show only 10 posts per blog post, blog page. So this is what all the settings here. And the main thing is actually, if you have different sizes, if you want to upload some images, you will be using media settings. But the necessary, let me go to the necessary part so that you will understand it fastly. And then you go to the permalinks, and here actually, for example, when someone types your domain name / that page name, so if you choose plain, what happens is the page name will be different, p equal to 231 or 123, depends upon the page. But I choose this one because it's easy for SEO optimized pages. This is advisable to have website name / this page, whatever name. So this is post name, it's the best one. Or you can also use custom structure and write like this. So this is the most important things in the settings part, as I told you. And then let's go to the plugins page. Plugins page is so important because you will have all the plugins that you are needed for your website. So if you whatever plugins, there are tons of plugins available in for WordPress. So there are a lot of themes, a lot of plugins. So that's why it's very a lot of people use WordPress, because it has a lot of plugins, a lot of themes available built in, and they also have good support. Depends upon which product, which plugin that you use, you can see that you can start using this. So this is completely about plugins. And if you want to add a new plugin, you just click on add plugin, and then you can come here and search, because this is amazing. So you can see all the plugins here, and then you can just click on install now, and automatically this plugin will be installed. And then after that, after installing, you have to activate it, and if you don't use it, you can also deactivate it. So you can see here this plugin is activated. Sorry, this, you can see that this plugin is deactivated now, so I can also activate it. So these are the things, these are the plugins are already activated. You got it right. So this is main function in the WordPress. And also the important thing is appearance. Appearance is where, for example, you will have the theme. So every WordPress website has a theme. So right now I'm using this theme. There are a lot of available themes here, and you can also install a new theme. Click on add theme, and then you can install this all themes that can be installed. And you can also install directly by clicking here and say I want to upload a theme. You can upload the zip file and click on upload, and then, as I said, you need to install it and then activate the theme. So this is something very important. And then you will also have customize. So customize is where you can customize your basic settings of the website. For example, in this website, I'm going to show you, for example, site title, tagline. You can change your menus. You can create the menu or edit the menu, and widgets. So you can add widgets here, homepage settings. So last time we saw this in direct settings, but you can also do this in the customization. And this is also important. If you want to add a custom CSS, you can click this additional CSS and click here and paste your CSS file here, and automatically this CSS will be applied into this particular theme. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in another task video.